Good morning everyone, good morning grade 9. Alright, in operating the greenhouse, the drip irrigation system has to be serviced every now and then. So today I'm going to look at the filtering system of the drip irrigation system. Alright, from time to time we have to service it. So this is filter. So in servicing the filter from time to time it gets clogged and then the water won't pass through easily. Alright, so wash this. We're going to wash it off. So it's filter system, guys. It's mesh. Alright, anybody know the purpose of putting this mesh inside the filter system?
To trap dirt.
Show it to them. Who like anybody to do what?
To trap dirt.
To trap
The dirt.
the soil or dirt or particles, alright? Because the drip irrigation system, the nozzles from which the water come out, which we're going to show you shortly, it's very tiny and it can be blocked easily. So in order to prevent that, we install a filter system, which is what they call a strainer, right, to take out debris and soil particles. I'm going to just install it back. Alright, so the filter system is good there now, guys. So I'm going to show you the greenhouse. Somebody turn on the irrigation system for me, please. That one. That one. Top one, right. Is that one? Yes, good. Alright, so these are the nozzles that we're talking about. So here the water is dripping, right? So the filter would take out all the debris that would block this drip hole. So it's a very tiny hole, very tiny hole. Alright guys, so that is one servicing we do of our drip system. Another one is that sometimes drip lines might get burst and we have to repair those. Alright, in this video I'm just going to point out where the irrigation system is burst, like right here. It's burst right here and it's spraying, so we have to repair that.